In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if your Webull withdrawal is not received and how you can fix it. First, check the withdrawal status in the Webull app. Open Webull, go to Assets, then Transfers, and look at your withdrawal history. If the status shows pending or processing, the transfer may still be in progress. Next, remember that Webull withdrawals usually take some time to process. Bank transfers can take a few business days depending on your bank and transfer method. If you recently deposited funds or sold stocks, your money may not be available for withdrawal yet. Deposits need to clear first, and stock sales require settlement before the funds become withdrawable. Also, make sure the bank account linked to Webull is correct. If there are any issues with your bank details, the withdrawal could be delayed or rejected. Another thing to check is whether your account has any restrictions, pending verification requests, or security reviews. Open the app notifications and email inbox to see if Webull requested additional information. If your withdrawal shows completed, but you still have not received the money, contact your bank and ask if there are any pending incoming transfers. If the issue still isn't resolved, contact Webull support directly through the app and provide your withdrawal reference details. And that's it. These are the main steps to fix a Webull withdrawal not received issue in 2026.